There are 3.5 million older women in employment, and they're typically starting new careers or setting up a business in midlife. This is due to the raised pension age and the lengthening lifespan. Now, the proportion of women aged between 50 and 64 has risen by more than 50% in the past 30 years. And a quarter of those women have said that they've considered leaving their jobs because of the menopause. I'm developing a workshop for women in this area to combat the menopause in the workplace. If you're interested in registering your place, or if you'd like to find out more information, please email me, jean@activepersonaldevelopment.co.uk. I look forward to hearing from you.